Hey guys, what's going on? It's T Carp and Mrs. T Carp. We are starting a few new things in our house, and we are starting to make elderberry. Now, tell me what elderberry is, why we're making it, what we're doing, if you don't mind. So we know elderberry is good for like the flu, but what is elderberry? What's in it? And really, what are we making?
We're making this syrup. It's really high in vitamin A, B, and C, I believe. And you basically just use elderberry, ground ginger root, cinnamon, and clove, and you boil it, reduce it, and strain it. And it keeps in a glass mason jar, about 16-ounce glass mason jar, for about 2 to 3 months in the fridge. And you take about a half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon a day. Kids get about a half tablespoon to a tablespoon, or I'm sorry, half a teaspoon to a teaspoon for kids, half a tablespoon to a tablespoon for adults.
Okay. Hey guys, I hope this helped. Now, we did not add local raw honey because this will be used for an infant that's under a year old. So this is without that. But I really hope this helped. We're excited to use this. And look at all it made. I mean, all that was, I think we spent about $6 to $10 on all the ingredients. And it made a pretty dang big mason jar. And we've got a whole more batch that we really can make. And I think at the health food store, a small dropper was like $16-ish. So seriously, guys, give it a shot. I think you'll like it.